Galpin Ford is the #1 volume dealership in the world for 23 consecutive years. We have the largest inventory of new Fords to choose from. Here's the vehicle for you.
With cutting-edge capabilities and thoughtful conveniences, the Ford Escape makes all your journeys possible. It's a sophisticated-looking SUV with amazing performance ability and maximum cargo configurability. Choose from 4 models: S, SE, SEL, and Titanium. With 3 powerful and efficient engines available, your adventurous spirit is free to pursue your passion. A 2.5-liter inline-4 uses variable intake valve timing, and the 2 EcoBoost engines feature auto start-stop technology for added efficiency. All 3 come with a 6-speed automatic transmission featuring select shift, and intelligent 4-wheel drive is available. Your Escape is smarter than ever with available driver assist technology that alerts, warns, and can even auto-maneuver. You'll love the easy-to-use Sync infotainment system and its LCD touchscreen. And available Sync Connect lets you access your Escape with your smartphone. With the available power liftgate, a simple kick of your foot under the bumper opens the tailgate for easy, hands-free access to your Escape's 68 cubic feet of cargo space. Choose from a variety of colors, options, and accessories, and build an Escape that's all yours. The Ford Escape. It'll make you unstoppable.
Great deals, great service, and great people. That's what makes family-owned and operated Galpin Ford #1. Proudly serving the Los Angeles area for over 60 years. Galpin Ford has thousands of vehicles, and to better assist our customers, a friendly professional staff that speaks 21 different languages. When you visit, be sure and take advantage of our many amenities, including the horseless carriage restaurant and full-service Starbucks. Call, click, or visit Galpin Ford today. We are conveniently located off the 405 freeway at the Roscoe Boulevard exit.